Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking this video. So in this video I'm going to show you 8 ways that I love to style my knotless braids. I actually did these braids all by myself, so I'll link that video below. Please do check it out. But yes, let's get straight into the hairstyles. So the first one is super easy. It's almost a joke, but I genuinely wear my hair like this, especially for pictures. It's just the middle part and then half my hair to the back and half my hair to the front, and that is it. Number 2 is an almost messy half up, half down kind of thing. And because I have those curls at the end of my hair, I just think it looks extra cute when I don't pull the bun all the way through the hair tie. Number 3, I'm taking 2 hair ties, and the best way I can describe this hairstyle is the space buns without the buns. So leaving out 2 braids at the front of my head to shape my face, and then tying up a small section on either side of my head, and then I'll wrap around a single braid along those ties just to make them more seamless, and then that is basically hairstyle number 3. Number 4 is another half up, half down, except I have 2 braids on either side of my head left out to frame my face, and then I pull the hair all the way through and just let it down like that. Continuing on from number 4, hairstyle number 5 is just basically wrapping around the tied up hair into a bun. Hairstyle number 6, because the braids are so thick, I'm going to use a satin headscarf to tie my hair up in a high ponytail. I basically wear this hairstyle at least once a day because I'm always changing my hairstyles in a day. Again, continuing on from hairstyle number 6, number 7 is basically a huge bun on my head. I normally wear this hairstyle when I'm about to shower or I'm doing my makeup, just so I can keep all of my hair out of the way. So the final hairstyle in this video is something that I do when I'm just chilling at home or I'm running errands or just doing anything chill and casual, which is basically just taking a section of hair on either side of my head and tying it all the way to the back. That is basically it, guys. That's 8 ways that I like to style my knotless braids. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and yes, bye.